Alright, what do we have here? Alright, so today we're gonna make the Mustang louder. It's too quiet from stock, so I got this H-pipe from CJ's Pony Parts. I'll put the link down in the description. This is aluminized steel. I didn't want to get anything like stainless steel because the rest of the exhaust is actually not stainless steel, so it will be pointless to just put a section on the car that is stainless steel. I think it's a waste of money. So I got this for about $100. It was on sale at the time of purchase, but they go for $120, I believe. Anyway, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. Definitely recommend it for this because the mid pipe on these cars are actually quite heavy. They're about 30 pounds, and they mute the exhaust a lot. So I want to make this thing a lot louder. It should be loud from stock, but it's not. So we're gonna fix this right now. I got the jack stands right here and all my tools, so I'm gonna jack up the car and start this project.
You can tell them exactly where you want them to spray?
Yep.
Say, don't spray here, don't spray here. See, I can see two spots you would definitely want to spray. See the holes? Save to your exhaust at the back. I think the front has.
Alright guys, so we got the car on jack stands right now, and this is what we were dealing with. This huge thing. This is about 30 pounds and it makes the exhaust quiet. So we're gonna remove those clamps right there, and this cap back is pretty much a one piece. So we have two other bolts over there and these right here, and the whole thing just slides out. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna cut this piece off with a bandsaw.
It's like two bolts in the bottom.
Alright guys, so we removed this bolts right now, and we're gonna move down to the other two bolts in the back. So now we are in the back of the car, and we have these two brackets right here. These are holding the back part of the exhaust. So you remove those two bolts right there, that one and this one, and the entire exhaust should come down. Go ahead. You got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Set it down?
Yep, that's on my foot though.
Okay.
Alright,
we're on the ground.
Yep, now we're gonna pull it off. Alright boys, this is what we got. This big old thing. Look how heavy that is. Look at how heavy it looks. This thing is useless. I don't know why they chose to do this. It's one piece instead of a flange here. It would have been better if it had flanges, but I mean, it was kind of easy. My buddy is helping me remove it, so it's easier than working it by yourself. But this is how it's gonna look like. This is where the H-pipe goes. We're gonna cut this section right here. and we're gonna slide it in place. It looks so good already. I can't wait to make this thing louder. It's gonna be awesome. So we have this side lined up this way, as you can see, and then we come on this end and we're gonna mark this section right here. Make sure you cut long enough in order to sleeve it in here. You don't want to cut too much because otherwise you're gonna be behind here and you're gonna have an exhaust leak, and you don't want that. Quick trick that I want to show you guys, the tie wrap trick. So when you're marking these, in order to get a perfect mark all the way around, make sure you use a tie wrap and then a zip tie. Yeah. Tie wrap. Make sure you use a zip tie. Make sure you use a zip tie. That way you can go all the way around perfectly, and then you don't have any, tilted cuts or anything like that. Check out my homemade bench. It's pretty cool.
Money.
I mean, it works. So we have 2 jack stands holding the exhaust or the mufflers, and then we have this right here. So once we cut it here, this side is gonna fold down. Okay.
It may be smart to hold it from the other side.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, so check this out. Bye bye, Resonator. These are the mufflers right here. Coming out good. So we're gonna install the H-pipe first underneath the car, and then we'll install the mufflers one by one, because it's better that way. Alright, we're crazy. We're going to turn it on with no mufflers. Let's do this, dude.
Is it neutral?
Huh? It should be. You can check it out. It's good? Yeah. Go ahead. Alright. Go ahead. Cold start. Oh my god, that's so loud. Guys, go ahead, rev it, dude. Rev it. That sounds so good. Go ahead. Oh man. What do you guys think? I should leave it like that? Maybe? I don't know. Oh my god. That sounds so good. Alright. That was too much fun. Alright, let's put this back together. There you go. Oh, we got it. It's good?
Yeah.
It looks really good, guys. I love it. So we install the H-pipe, and then after that you put the clamps, the supplied clamps on it, and then you install the mufflers first. So you go in this way first, and then slide the muffler side into the pipe, into the H pipe. It's pretty simple. Just gotta play with it a little bit, and but yeah. So this driver side is in. We're gonna install the passenger side, and we should be good to go. We're gonna do a nice sound clip, so stay tuned for that.
Push.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
Alright guys, so we finishing off bolting this thing up. My buddy gotta just tighten up the front, and we should be good to go. We're gonna put the car down very soon. Whew. He's working hard, guys. Give him a thumbs up. Anyway, I'm excited. I'm gonna show you the finished product in a second. So we pretty much got straight pipes from the header. We got the H pipe now, and straight pipes all the way down to the mufflers. So not a bad installation. It's a pretty nice kit. Bolt on, no issues.
Not even a scratch. Yep.
Yep. If we don't need this is going in the garbage. Bye bye.
3, 2.
Alright guys, what do you think? It sounds so mean now. Just that H pipe, oh my hands are dirty. Just that H pipe makes such a big difference. It's pretty good. I mean, just hear it. It rumbles now. I mean, it rumbles so much. It's awesome. So yeah, I'll put the link of the products that I bought and used today right in the description, so look for that. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and if you like the sound, make sure you hit the thumbs up. It sounds mean now. In the future I'll look into you know, doing like an exhaust or cat back or anything like that. So thanks for watching. Until the next one, thanks.